Monkey earns 100 leaves every week. Monkey is happy. Monkey spends 90 leaves on banana food and banana rent. Monkey has 10 leaves left. This is called savings. Savings is leaves monkey does not spend simple. But where does monkey put savings? Monkey hides leaves under mattress. Monkey feels safe. Leaves are hidden. Nobody can steal leaves, but wait. Something bad happens to leaves under mattress. Inflation. What is inflation? Inflation is when banana price goes up over time. Last year, one banana cost 2 leaves. This year, one banana costs 3 leaves. Leaves buy less banana than before. This is called inflation. Your leaves are losing value just sitting there. So monkey hides leaves under mattress. 1 year later, monkey pulls leaves out. Leaves buy less banana than before. Monkey lost buying power. This is bad. Monkey should have done something with leaves instead of hiding them. What should monkey do? Monkey should put leaves in banana bank. What is banana bank? Banana bank is place where monkey stores leaves. Banana bank keeps leaves safe. Banana bank also gives monkey extra leaves for storing leaves there. This is called interest. Interest on savings. How does interest work? Monkey puts 100 leaves in banana bank. Banana bank says, we will give you 5 extra leaves every year. This is called 5% interest. After 1 year, monkey has 105 leaves. After 2 years, monkey has 110 leaves. After 10 years, monkey has 150 leaves.
This is called compound interest. Compound interest. What is compound interest is when banana bank gives monkey interest on interest.
Year 1 monkey gets 5 leaves. Year 2 monkey gets interest on 105 leaves, not just original 100. This is called compounding. Money grows faster over time. This is powerful. How powerful is compound interest? If monkey puts 100 leaves in banana bank at age 20 and leaves it until age 60, monkey gets 5% interest. Monkey will have 700 leaves. Monkey only put in 100 leaves. Banana bank gave monkey 600 extra leaves. This is the magic of compound interest. But what if monkey waits until age 40 to start saving? Monkey puts 100 leaves in banana bank at age 40 and leaves it until age 60. Monkey gets 5% interest. Monkey will have 270 leaves. Only 170 extra leaves. Waiting cost monkey 430 leaves. This is called opportunity cost. Time is money. Types of banana savings. Banana savings account. Monkey puts leaves in banana bank. Banana bank keeps leaves safe. Banana bank gives monkey small interest. Monkey can take leaves out any time. This is called liquidity. Good for emergency fund. Banana term deposit. Monkey puts leaves in banana bank for fixed time. 1 year, 2 years, 5 years. Monkey cannot take leaves out until time is up. Banana bank gives monkey more interest because monkey committed. This is called higher interest rate. Good for long-term saving. Banana investment account. Monkey buys banana farm or banana company shares. Value goes up or down. Monkey can lose leaves. Monkey can also gain many leaves. This is called investing. Higher risk, higher reward. Not same as savings, but related. Emergency fund. What is emergency fund? Emergency fund is pile of leaves saved for bad things. Banana tree falls on monkey house. Banana car breaks. Monkey gets sick. Emergency fund pays for bad things. Monkey should have 3 to 6 months of expenses saved. This is called being prepared. How much should monkey save? Rule of thumb, monkey should save at least 20%. If monkey earns 100 leaves, monkey saves 20 leaves. If monkey earns 500 leaves, monkey saves 100 leaves. This is called savings rate. Higher savings rate means more banana wealth later. But what if monkey cannot save 20%? That is okay. Start small, save 5 leaves, then 10 leaves, then 15 leaves. Build up over time. This is called habit. Saving is like banana muscle. Gets stronger with use. Banana budget. What is banana budget? Banana budget is planned for leaves. Monkey knows how many leaves come in. Monkey knows how many leaves go out. Monkey makes sure more leaves come in than go out. This is called living below your means. Key to banana wealth.
Why do monkeys not save? 3 reasons. 1. Monkey spends all leaves on banana, wants not banana needs. Fancy banana clothes, banana vacations, banana gadgets.
2.
Monkey does not make banana budget. Monkey has no plan. 3. Monkey thinks saving is boring. Monkey wants banana now, not banana later. But saving is not boring. Saving is freedom. Monkey who saves can retire early. Monkey who saves can quit bad banana job. Monkey who saves can travel banana world. Monkey who saves sleeps well at night. This is called financial security. Remember, savings is not about being cheap. Savings is about being smart. Banana that is saved today becomes banana farm tomorrow. Banana that is spent today becomes empty banana peel. Choose wisely. There are 2 types of monkeys. Monkeys who save and build banana empire, and monkeys who spend all leaves and stress about everything. Be first monkey, not second monkey. Second monkey is very sad. Start saving today. Even small amounts matter. Your future monkey self will thank you. If monkey want to learn more about banana money, check out monkey other videos. Please subscribe to support the channel. And remember, apes together strong.